July class super 2 samala tending atang exercise number 7 bong ataika discussion hala question number 1 and ata chise du from the sum ha ikachi du from the sum of 3097 and 4723 subtract 1896 ata question and chise de no sena ata ikete na sum chos hala sunang su 3097 na 4723 is ka ata gomachi chos lo sum so le sum chos de ata answer jibi no pa te answer na ngata subtract chu no su 1896 bo ngata chose tano so ale tate ngata answer date nya bo ngata goma 3097 na 4723 wo chi chen ata plus and sum dena plus chu samona ta plus chu na bo ngata answer bo ka cham 7820 thirale ta ngata question na chi i answer binkan benang ne ngata 1896 bu chi chu lo subtract hala then ngata answer bu chi bing 7820 bing sa ta te na ne 1896 bu chi chu lo minus ne ngata chi chen minus hala minus chu na nya po te ngata 0 ne 6 put minus pa ngata ke re kyos 10 10 ne 6 put pa ngata 4 then ka 1 lu sa 1 bola yang ngata ke re kyos 11 11 and 9 put pa ngata 2 then ngata ka 7 lu to da 7 ka yang 1 ke re kyos 17 17 and 8 put ata cham 9 tinata ka cham lus to 6 hala 6 na 1 put na ata 5 sete ochos lang ata answer sunok tirale answer bo mentions ata 5924 tira. Next question number 2. Subtract the sum of 4267 and 3339 from 9265. Ata cheez no sum of 4267 and 3339 bo kitna ata sum chos yani plus chos hala plus chos lo hala tere plus chos tera teo e plus chokane answer bo kitna ngata swinang ne puche no zana 9265 ina ngata minus chos de dokmina te fe goma ngata i number niska ochi chen dana sum chun tirale plus chun ngata 7606 plus chos te answer yong sa ta i plus chos te answer yong kan bo ngata kana ne phudlo 9265 ina ne phud jate mina tena ta 9265 put this tena ngata minus chun 7606 bo ngata minus chun tirale minus chun ay po yang ata 5 ne 6 put mayan tena ta carry khonse 15 15 ne 6 put na 9 eka 5 lose 5 ne 0 put na 5 tena ka 2 ne mayan pa yang ata carry khonse 12 ne 6 6 tena ata eka 8 lose 8 ne 7 put ngata 1 tena ata isosla answer yung stano tigran mera. The next question number 3 to sa question number 3 na chi do the school auditorium is full of 2500 people. Out of these 2218 are students, 217 are parents and the remaining are teachers. How many teachers are there in the auditorium? Sale ta school auditorium no hala tate auditorium na ko mi utsam yut kya sana total 2500 ngata mi uketana tena yut kya tira le full so kya ta out of these te nang ko ni yani 2500 people in Nangkuk ne khetana 2218 bo khetana students your lo thu tira and nyapo ata chitu 217 are parents then and 217 bu chu kya parents kya tira and the remaining the baki yang lakma luskan bo khetana swin lo teachers in zede do mina then how many teachers are there in the auditorium then the auditorium benang kwa teacher bo khitan sam yo kya zede mina ta sa ata baki luskan bo teacher in zede mina teacher isa chiyo zede ngata question and a met kya te fe ngata ko teacher bo sam yo chiduk te ngata ka phinchin utirale Gumata the question given you can untin total number of people sum to 2500 to mina students sum to 2218 to parents sum to 217 to mina ta chin parents and student hala parents and student means ngata I parents sum to student sum to te isa ta total sum to then hala iska plus na po ngata 2435 and parents now teacher iska thiste ngata 2435 po parents teacher kya ha ta ngata teacher would sum yung duk zera chinga po ngata number of teacher n o dot tang sa duale I n o dot means number ino tira number of teachers po ngata phinga la ngata total sum 2500 yot pa meda ta te na ngata parents na teacher parents na students sum sure 2435 te ngata chi chen minus chen tira le minus chen na po ngata chu chen 10 5 put 5 ega 9 lu sa 9 ne 3 put 6 tena 4 ne 4 0 2 ne 2 0 ano khala any teachers tam yot kya jana ngata ka answer tam 65 bing sa ta te auditorium hall bena ko ngata teachers tam yot kya jana 65 teachers yot kya tira le The next question number 4 लगतो sang. Anita received rupees 9,250 from her father. She spent rupees 2,750 on clothes and rupees 650 on books. How much money is left with her? Ata Anita zirkan kitana penne khonskya avale lagne penne khonskya tam 9,250 avale lagne khonskya tene khoi kitate penne khonkan bola khoi ching yuskya zna 2,750 la ko goslak yuskya hala and 650 ola khoi ching yuskya books yuskya. Then how much money is left with her? Then ta book na clothes niska news chat istina darum penne glue to kya pate o sam glue to kya ata ka pinches no sale te phiala goma ata ko answer in a cheating. Anita received money some cost 9,250 avilagne cost. Then a quick cloth that spent some just 2,750. Then a books that some penny 650 pounds. Total she spent yani quick total can some she kharcha just to hala. They will get another 2,750 and 650 no mana. Chow kitangiska this day total some you should stop 3,400 boketana kharchushka. Ha the money left with her. That quite ladrum penny some used to give anata total in total avilana goma tam cost 9,250 cost per makosa then ana quit some she quiz gas can bo 3,400 skerto te okitana ata chichen minus hala minus 0 5 0.5 then 2 and 4 put man parata carry cost 12 and 4 put no some 8 then 8 ni 3.5 yani rupees 5,850 okitana danum khela dostya chirale then last question number 5 7,920 person visited the zoo on first 3 days of a week. If 3,257 and 2,469 person visit the zoo on the first and second day respectively, how many person visited the zoo on third day? Ini ngata chis do total hala zoo ngata ta chana te okita first 3 days do ani week ina Monday Tuesday zena pa gome jaksumbo ini Monday Tuesday Wednesday serkan sumbo ketena sam mi yonshka 7,920 yonshka timura tate nane kaltes kedana first na second day yani Monday na Tuesday ola kedana 3,257 na 2,469% bo yonste na hala tene ngata te tingma jak yani Wednesday jak bola ngata mitzam yonshka zate diste no pa hala te ngata goma chiti number of person visit sam just 7,920 yonsta total the number of person visit the zoo on first and second days any gome jak nis bola ngata inis ka yonsta ka kita ngata plus na total sam yon 5,726 po gome jak nis la yonshka ha the number of a person visit the zoo on third day jak ngata sam yonshka zena ngata total ina ngata e first and second day jak ngata chichun minus na ngata ngata 0.9 per 10 minus 6 4 11 ne 2 put ngata 9 then 8 ne 7 put ngata 1 then 75 put ngata 2 zete hala then ngata last day yani third day jak ngata mi total sam yonshka zena 2,194 bokhetana zua sta yonshka tirale tai question 1 ne ta se 5 chu bodwa kaula ngata question words problem no ina ko ngata question bha go chu che zaruri no tirale te ngata question 1 ne ta se 5 chu ta thame copy na shoot tirale thank you